So we're a makerspace. We're located on the Airpark campus in Columbus. We offer workshops for the community. We also offer memberships. So depending on how invested you want to be in Propeller, you can come in here and take a workshop on welding, on woodworking, or you can become a member and come here every day and work with our state-of-the-art equipment.
I mean, anyone who comes here is going to be able to get something out of it. Whether you want to learn a completely new skill, or you were just trying to brush up on your old skills or finish a new project, or you just want somewhere to come to hang out, to meet new people, there's something for everyone here.
I really like how kids can just come here, and even adults, they can just come here and really explore their creativity, and they get to make really cool things that they might not know they could even do or create, and I think that's really cool.
It's a great vibe. We're very open. We love getting new members. I always tell people, just because you don't know how to use a table saw or a miter saw, you might know something that we don't know. So it's kind of like it's kind of a melting pot. You bring people in here and then you kind of figure out what people know. People toss ideas off each other.
When you first become a Propeller member, you get a full tour and a showing of each section of the shop and each item in here as well. So they make sure that you are at least somewhat familiar with everything that's in here and what's available. And we also offer workshops if you want more of an in-depth learning experience with it.
So we've got about 75 members, lots of retired engineers, lots of retired educators. We also have a lot of people in the workforce, a lot of people in their 30s, in their 40s that just don't have this type of equipment at home.
There's so many different things in here that you wouldn't expect to see. Like, you hear welding and wood shop and you think that might not be for me, but we have other things too.
So we've had a Lego club for 2 years. We usually have an average of about 30 kids every week. We've built everything from airplanes to cars to bridges. We have a woodworking club. We offer workshops on the weekends. So we offer tie-dye. We do stained glass. We do pour paint. We make candles, and we have so many community partners. We are, anytime Kids Commons has an event at their place, we always come. We're always part of Manufacturing Day at Toyota. Every year we are building some picnic tables for the city of Columbus. So yeah, anytime that somebody's looking for a STEM activity for students, we're always the first call they make. But to me, we're just trying to propel people to whatever they want to learn, whether it's an entrepreneur, whether it's someone wanting to learn a new skill. It's just we're kind of propelling them to that next level.
Last year, I didn't really know what I wanted to do. I just haven't really found any answers to anything. Then I came here and I saw welding, and I just thought it was so cool. So welding is one of those jobs that I would want to do whenever I grow up, because I just found it to be so cool.
We are just now getting started with what we're doing. Our memberships are growing, our workshops are continuing to sell out, we're gaining members. So I think we're kind of really getting our footing, finding out who we are, what the community wants from us. And then like I said, I just think we're getting started.